Have you ever wondered how our environment influences our behavior? Understanding this complex relationship is crucial. This video will explore methods to study environment-behavior relations, focusing on best practices for rigorous research. First, let's define environment-behavior relations. This concept examines how surroundings affect human actions and perceptions. Researching this requires interdisciplinary methods to gain accurate insights. We'll discuss four main research designs: cross-sectional, longitudinal, experimental, and quasi-experimental. Each design has unique strengths and limitations that impact findings. Cross-sectional design collects data at a single moment in time. It's efficient and provides a snapshot of associations in various populations. For instance, it estimates active travel prevalence across neighborhoods. However, cross-sectional studies don't establish cause and effect relationships. They can't determine if an environment influences behavior or if behavior alters perceptions of the environment. Next is the longitudinal design, which tracks the same individuals over time. This method reveals changes in behavior linked to environmental transitions. For instance, it examines how childhood neighborhoods impact adult health. Longitudinal studies provide strong causal inferences but are costly and resource-intensive. They require careful management and raise ethical challenges like participant retention. Now, let's look at experimental designs. These involve manipulating variables and randomly assigning participants to groups. Experiments are great for testing specific mechanisms or interventions. They offer the highest internal validity, making them crucial for establishing causal relationships. However, they may lack ecological validity as tightly controlled settings can misrepresent real-world interactions. Lastly, we cover quasi-experimental designs. These methods approximate experimental logic without random assignments. They assess the effects of environmental changes or policies that cannot ethically be randomized. Quasi-experimental approaches strengthen causal inferences when certain assumptions are met. However, they are still subject to biases and threats from unobserved confounders. When choosing a design, consider your research question, ethical constraints, and available resources. Often, mixing quantitative and qualitative methods yields the best results. In summary, understanding environment-behavior relations relies on selecting appropriate research designs. Each design has specific applications, strengths, and limitations. Now that you know the importance of research methods, consider how you might apply these insights. Engage with your environment and explore its impact on your behavior. For more in-depth discussions on research methods, subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.